what makes successful people different from others? Do you think is it luck? Do you think is it talent or is it hard work? No, my friends, it's only their daily routine. Yes, my friends, the small thing they do every day that shape their entire life. Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope that you are doing great and fantastic. I'm also doing well. So today I'm gonna ask you a simple but powerful questions that what makes successful people different from others? Do you think is it luck? Do you think is it talent or is it hard work? No, my friends, it's only their daily routine. Yes, my friends, the small thing they do every day that shape their entire life. So this is speaking means all in front of you, and as you know, I'm a public speaker as well as an English content creator. So I practice my English daily to get my fluency and to boost my confidence. So today I'm gonna share with you how a small thing can completely change our life, how our perfect daily routine can shape our entire future. So my friends, let's start it with morning time. We should wake up early in the morning around 5:30 or 6 a.m. and starts our day with drinking a glass of water, and also we should do some exercise at least for 15 minutes, and also spend some quick time in prayer or meditations. Then we have to plan our day, means we have to write down 3 or 5 important tasks that we will complete and we will finish in this day. When we plan our day, means we control our time instead of wasting it. Then we have a healthy breakfast, means simple and nutritious, and after breakfast comes the golden hour. That means after breakfast to till noon time is the most proactive time, so we should spend this time for our study, for our deep work or creative project. And another thing also here, and in this time we should stay away from the social media. Then in noon time we should have a proper lunch that makes us energetic and more active. And after doing lunch, we should do the lighter task, means emails or revisions or meetings, and take a short breaks that keeps our mind active. And in the evening time, we should do some exercise like jogging and walking, and as well we should spend some time with our family. My friends, health and relationships are important as our work. And in night time, before going to the bed, we should think about our day and ask about ourselves that what did I achieve today and what can I improve tomorrow. And from my side, there is one suggestion for my friends: we should avoid the screen before 30 minutes going to the bed, and we should sleep by 10:30 or 11 for proper rest. My friends, maybe this routine look like a simple and easy, but if we follow this routine with the discipline, with the consistency, so this routine can change our life, can shape our entire future. Remember one thing, my friends: success doesn't come from big steps once in a while. Success comes from a small step repeated every day with the discipline and consistency. Don't delay, my friends. Start today to follow this routine with discipline and consistency, and we will see the growth of coming month. And if you found this video helpful for your speaking. So don't forget to subscribe and like and also share with those people who are really energetic and enthusiastic to learn English language. And I will see in the next video with another important topic which will inspire you or motivated you to learn English language.